Here we have a roughly square piece of plywood painted on one side, sitting on a concrete floor with some old paint specks on it. Concrete floor in a new construction house as a safe area to do an experiment with isopropyl alcohol. Here we have a standard bottle of isopropyl alcohol. Decreases germs and minor cuts, helps relieve minor muscle aches. Isopropyl rubbing alcohol, the perfect choice for those ailments apparently. And we're going to take some of this, pour it onto that piece of wood and light it as a rough approximation to see how well isopropyl alcohol burns or not, and what degree it might do damage on an approximately flat surface, slightly contoured, slight bend to the piece of wood. Here we go. All right. So here we're taking the isopropyl alcohol again, opening the bottle, pouring some, see the liquid spreading slightly over the top of the wood, slightly running off to the sides, as you might imagine, since it has a contour to the surface. We're going to light a match. So there's a lit match, well lit, and lo and behold, notice how easily it goes out. And over at the sides where it's not been heated yet, we can reignite. Okay, there's the alcohol burning with a couple tries to get it going on the wooden surface. Burning off. A moderate flame at best. And you can see it runs out pretty quickly. What has that been? 25, 30 seconds? And we're off to the edge, still a slight flicker. And now that's about gone. And here's the wood. After the burning, the alcohol is burnt off, and there's virtually no damage to the wood. Virtually no damage. Let's do it again, just to make sure we're being accurate about all of this. Take the isopropyl alcohol. I'll pour a little bit more on. Let's be generous in this experiment. And we'll pull out the matches one more time. Here comes the match. Notice again, when it's cold, it doesn't flare up easily. It has to be, once it's heated, starts to evaporate. We get a nice good flame. Stuff is burning. In this particular case, not only is it burning in the center, it did move over to the edge of the wood. This is the second time within, 2 minutes that we've done this. It's burnt, burning out, burning out, burning out. Some has gone off the edge over to the left-hand side, but now even it is burnt out. And once again, virtually zero. The wood is slightly warm. Slightly warm. Second time. With virtually no damage, other than perhaps this streak here, which is where some of the paint was dissolved, I'm assuming, by the isopropyl alcohol. Not burnt, but dissolved. Not a good item for flammability or anything that would require flammability. Used for minor cuts, decreases germs and minor cuts, helps resolve minor muscle aches. That's pretty easy to see, isn't it? Thank you.